53 hours. By anyone's standards, that's a long, hard work week. So are you sitting down? 53 hours is the amount of time each week that the average American young person spends on some form of electronic entertainment. Think about it. TV, video games, music, movies online, all kinds of social media. They stay constantly connected to entertainment and to each other. This is Howard Butt Jr. of Laity Lodge. Connection is good, but our lives also need quiet space. Periods when we unplug machines and plug ourselves into solitude. In order to learn from the wisdom around us, we all need times of silence in the high calling of our daily work.